This video is rated TV-16, has some harsh language which may not be appropriate for younger audiences. Viewer discretion is advised. All right, Heavy Metal Explosion coming at you with another figure discussion. And this here has to come from Foose Designs model kit. So just, oh, I might have zoomed in a little bit too much, huh? Whoa, too much. Let's go in reverse here, guys. All right, so we get the packaging here and right there. And get the back. And get the other part of the packaging, which is I had tires, had a engine right here, screwdriver, which you see in my hand, some axles, screws that screw down the car ramp, which they have screws in them, so I think you can take this apart. This is all die cast metal. Nice. I think you could take this apart and kind of put it in these slots and make it look like it's moving. But look at this. This has some nice detail to it. I mean, real nice. These move. I mean, awesome. And they do fit in some holes here on this plate, like so, like so. There we go. And they do screw down so it doesn't fall off, doesn't roll over. So I'm going to wind up building a plastic case for this bad boy. And let's zoom in a little bit here. I'm a big Mustang fan. My dad, when he was alive, he enjoyed working on Fords. So I guess I got that a little bit from him. So there's the engine that was opened up. And it is held in by 2 screws on this platform. So there's no rolling. And the wheels do move, as you can tell. Hood opens up, drops down. And everything comes apart in here. This is a fully customizable vehicle. So, no need to take a Hot Wheels and hack it up if you don't want to. So, I'm thinking about buying another one and mounting the car to the top. And that would be great. If I can find me a Hemi-Cuda or a Barracuda or maybe a Mach 1, that would be awesome. So in the beginning, you got this where I gave it a 360. So let's do it again here where you can see my fat finger in the way. And I really like that. I mean, I could have went with a red and black, but I like it. The axles on the back are a little bit shorter than up front. So if you buy this, see this out. And I bought this in Walmart, and I think it was about $7 or $8, something like that, which is fine. I mean, it's probably well worth it. It's probably the best thing that I've seen from Hot Wheels on Matchbox in years. So um, there's not a lot to it. Obviously, reviewing a Hot Wheels car is not, or Matchbox or whomever, is not going to be totally in a great deal of detail. But this is it's a nice figure. If you go out and see one, pick it up, do something, get it, put it in your collection, display it. It's nice. It's real nice. So here's a quick 360 view of this Mustang, and I'll just shut up and let you take a look. So until next time, guys.